differential equation. A differential equation is an equation involving one dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables. For example, so this is differential equation. This equation contains derivatives d by dy by dx, d square y by dx square. So this is differential equation. Here y is a dependent variable, x is an independent variable, y with respect to x. Another example, but third one is different from first two. Here y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. Y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. But here z is a dependent variable, but three independent variable. Okay, three independent variable. dz by dx, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, dou z by dou z equal to 0. So this type of differential equation is called a partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. So these are called ordinary differential equation. What is the difference between these two? Here only one independent variable, but here more than one independent variable, x, y, z. Ordinary differential equation. I already said that an ordinary differential equation is one in which there is only one independent variable. I already said only one independent variable, x, y with respect to x. But here z with respect to x, z with respect to y, z with respect to z. Right. Linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? The linear differential equation is one in which the dependent variable and its derivative occur with the first degree. First degree. The important thing is first degree. There is no product of dependent variable and a derivative or product derivative. That is highest power of the equation. Highest power of the equation is called degree. Highest power of the equation is called degree. Highest order derivative power. Highest order derivative power. This is highest order and its power 1. That is called linear. So the degree is 1. The equation is called linear. The degree is more than 1. The equation is called non-linear. And also the dependent variables in multiple. The dependent variables in multiple, y dy by dx. So this type of equation is also non-linear. This type of equation is also non-linear. Okay. Next. Linear differential equation with the constant coefficients. Linear differential equation with the constant coefficients. a0 d power n y by dx power n plus a1 dn minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 and so on, a and y equal to q of x. Here y with respect to x, where a0, a1, a2, an are constant with a0 not equal to 0. This is linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. How it is called a linear differential equation with the constant coefficient? See, here highest order n and highest order power is degree. Highest order power is a degree. Here highest order 1 and its power 1. So it is a linear. Degree 1 means it is a linear. Derivative coefficient all constant. So linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. Linear degree 1, derivative coefficient constant. So it is called linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. solution of a differential equation. General solution equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So next we find a solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation already framed, that is general solution equal to complementary function plus particular integral. First, complementary function. Complementary function, we have three cases based on the roots. Right. The roots based on solving LHS in the differential equation. Solving LHS in the differential equation, that is this part LHS. When solving this, you get the roots. Based on the roots, we have three cases. First one, case 1, if the roots m1, m2, mn are all real and different, that is roots real and different, then the complementary function is c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x plus cn e power mnx. Case 2, if the roots are real and equal. Here the roots are different, here the roots are real and equal, that is m1 equal to m2 equal to m3 equal to m. Then the complementary function c1 plus c2x plus c3x square, and next c3x power 4 and so on, crx power r minus 1 e power mx, where m is root. Case 3, if the two roots are real and complex, say m1 equal to alpha plus I beta, m2 equal to alpha minus I beta. Complementary function is e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Next we see problems based on complementary function. Problem 1, solve d square y by dx square plus 6 dy by dx plus yy equal to 0. RHS 0. Solution. See, this is linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. How we define? See, this is highest order power 1. See exactly, highest order power 1. Degree 1 means linear equation. So how we define degree? Highest order power. Here highest order 2 and it's a power 1. So this is a linear differential equation. Degree 1. So this is a linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. See, derivative coefficient constant. Okay. So this is linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. How we call linear differential equation with the constant coefficient? Right. Let capital D equal to d by dx, small d square equal to, capital D square equal to d square by dx square. So this you can write d square y, 6 dy by dx you can write 6 dy, 5y equal to 0. Next, write auxiliary equation. M square you can write, d square you can write m square, 6d you can write 6m, 5 equal to 0. Okay. Then solve this equation, that is factorize. 1 into 5, 5, 1 plus 5, 6. That is product of two numbers 5, addition of two numbers 6. Addition of two numbers 6, product of two numbers 5. You get m plus 1, m plus 5 equal to 0. This is called the factors. And this is called the roots, m equal to minus 1, m equal to minus 5. Complementary function, that is yc equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x, yc equal to a e power minus x plus b e power minus 5x. Note, if given differential equation If given differential equation RHS is 0, the general solution is complementary function only. See, RHS 0, so the general solution is complementary function only. That is, no need to find a particular integral. Right. Second problem, solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. This is linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. Right. Second order linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Factorize this. Product of two numbers 4. Addition is 4. So we can get 2 and 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 plus 2 4. M plus 2 equal to 0. M plus 2 what? M equal to minus 2. M plus 2 what? M equal to minus 2. The roots are real and also equal. So the complementary function equal to c1 plus c2x e power mx. This is formula. So you need to substitute m, that is minus 2. That is complementary function. This is also called a general solution because RHS 0. Given differential equation RHS is 0. So given differential equation RHS 0 means the complementary function is our general solution. And case 3 one problem. Solve d square plus 16 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 16 equal to 0. M square equal to minus 16. M equal to plus or minus 4i. That is m equal to alpha plus I beta type. Alpha 0, beta 4. Complementary function e power alpha x, a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Alpha 0, beta 4. So y is equal to a cos 4x plus b sin 4x because e power 0x what? 1. Thank you. Homework problems. Solve this 3 types. This is based on first type, case 2 type, case 3 type. Thank you.